Hey, we wanted to give you guys an update on what is happening, and we have made a lot of progress on the farm in a lot of areas. We want to show that to you guys now. So while I've been doing some office work and planning for the season, Renee has been working really hard here and done a fabulous job. You see the floor. You see the floor. The floor is in place for the most part. Looks really cool. We'll have to sand it off still and then oil it. It's a really cool shape. We have the baseboard still. This wood here then is the old wood from the entrance, and it's also gonna look really cool. We're gonna have a shelf here, so it's starting to take shape. So lots of planning for me in the office still. Really right now ordering a lot of things that we will need for the upcoming season. Spring will come much sooner here than in Sweden, and we have a lot of things to prepare. In May, the first interns and what do you say, Auszubildende?
I have no idea.
Short-term interns, long-term interns for the stewardship summer are gonna arrive and will be working. We're doing well. How's your toe?
It's better. It's not better. It's still broken, but I can walk better on it.
Yeah.
I just have to watch out that I don't hurt it again or forget that I need to be careful with it.
Yeah. We have really nice winter right now. -11°C at night time, and then still freezing during the day. But
gorgeous. The trees have been frosted for several days now. It hasn't melted off at all.
The thing that we really enjoy here is just how much daylight we have compared to Sweden. Man, even when you have cold and snowy winter here, it's so nice and warm.
You like it, guys?
Yeah.
What is that you've built?
We planned half of our side yard, I would call it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, our yard, and we made a big pile, and then we dug a tunnel, and we're gonna do it all the way until back there.
Is it supposed to be an igloo or a tunnel?
Igloo.
That's really cool. Came out this morning to see the kids off to school, and I've just stayed out because it's incredible out here. Like, the sky just keeps getting prettier and prettier, and this powdery snow, it's just so fun to watch Simeon plowing it away.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Simeon and Alex here. It is Sunday morning, day of the week where we take it more easy. We just got Another 15 centimeters of snow
last night.
overnight.
I think it was supposed to be rain, wasn't it? Like, it was supposed to come yesterday as rain and then get
Rain
cold
or
again,
snow, but yeah.
yeah.
It's really beautiful. We really enjoy the daylight here. Season 2021, the first full farming season here on this farm for us, is coming up very quickly. We have super exciting things ahead of us. Good morning.
They're excited.
They're very excited. Where is the scoop?
These guys have grown a lot since we got them. You girls need. Enough for everyone. Oh, where's my rake? So, these guys are fed. They get very picky at the end when they've had food all day. Here they've pretty much picked through all the kinds of grasses that they want to eat, and then they just complain until you flip it over. I just love when they get fresh hay. Syrian's throwing some straw down. We just added some corn to these guys, deep bedding, and we'll cover it in straw.
So, this here is a big investment into our future. We are quite generous right now with the hay. Let them only eat the good and fine stuff that they love to eat. And then we throw the rest into the bedding because each round bale has about 30 to 40 euros of fertility value itself. And then here in the deep bedding, this is a lot of compost that is our currency here on the farm. It's going to be grass and compost is going to be our currency, and we are going to produce a lot of it. The cattle are spreading out their manure. Each cow drops about 25 kilos of poop and urine each day, and we're catching all of that. And if you could be right now, right here in our stable, you wouldn't smell anything bad. Every time you smell something on a farm and in a stable, the farmer is losing money because the nitrogen, for example, is leaking into the air. And we're catching all of this. The pigs are going to go in here once the cows go out, and they are going to turn this and turn it into fluffy compost. It's a very exciting process. We are having close to, we have about 2 feet thick, 60 centimeters about, 60 to 70 centimeters thick deep bedding already. And I can't wait for spring, get the cows out on grass, put the pigs in here and show you the process. Very exciting. Oh, it is such a beautiful morning here. We've really had a nicer winter here than we've had in Sweden for many, many years. People around here say that this is a winter that they haven't had in many years either, but as well. But it's just so beautiful, and we are really enjoying all the daylight that we didn't have during the winter in Sweden. So, check this out. The entrance to the silo is almost finished. You have this one little spot up here that is not ready yet. But honey, this is exciting. What's this gonna be?
Farm store.
Farm store.
Yeah.
We're gonna make another video where we give you a full tour of the whole thing. Renee has been working hard. I've been assisting him a little bit, but mainly I've been doing a lot of planning for the season. We have 4 people who will do our summer stewardship summer. They will come in May. We have a bunch of short-term interns already for the season. We're very excited. We've pre-ordered poultry. We have pre-ordered greenhouses, or ordered them. They should come next week. As soon as the snow will melt, we should be able to start building fence, establish the market garden. We have a slaughter facility, a mobile slaughter facility that should come in about 2 months. Just very excited about everything coming together finally and the season to start. And gosh, this is pretty.
Yeah, definitely trying to enjoy this time that is still downtime because of the snow.
Yeah.
Before the season starts, but it's already like itching inside of us to.
It is.
For the spring to come, for us to get going on some of these things we are excited about.
And as soon as the farm store is done now, we'll start building the sawmill shelter. A new sawmill, a bigger one, will arrive the middle of February about, and we'll mill a lot of the lumber for that. Seeing my wife sit there gives me the chance to remind you to check out our Instagram and Facebook, because she is doing a she's doing a good job at keeping you guys all updated on those platforms. Oh, what was it, MeWe, right?
Yeah.
We are soon going to start a MeWe channel as well, where you'll be able to follow us. So, just to wrap up this video real quick, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit what this farm is going to be about and what we are going to be about on this channel. We really want to inspire people and give people new strength and new hope for both farming and for their health, for their lives. And we really want to inspire you if you are wanting to start farming but don't want to do it the conventional way with big you know, investments that won't pay back, and you'll be enslaved for your entire life. And it's a journey together, and we're just really excited that we can offer this here on our farm already to a group of future farmers this summer. We're all about healing nature and producing nutrient-dense food in harmony with nature, and you know, seeing this kind of agriculture spread over Austria and the world, and we're really excited about this. We'll have a lot going on here and are really excited to share this with you guys. A bunch of you have asked if we will change our channel name. We might do that, as we will focus more on our new task here, what we will be doing, and the channel will focus on that more. When we first started the channel, it was a lot about me sharing my experiences through that I had learned in regenerative agriculture and was learning, and this is going to be that on a little bit of a bigger scale in our family's journey in it, and we're really excited to share that. So guys, hope you have a good weekend and a good start into the new week. We want to sign off here. Enjoy the day. It is so stunningly beautiful. The sky just cleared up, and can't wait to get some fresh air in this beautiful sunshine. So see you soon. Bye bye.
Take care.